So,
Thank you, Alfred. Thanks to you, everyone thinks I'm still at work.
let's talk about working hours. With Meet Alfred, you have the power to customize its working hours to fit your preferences. Here's how you can personalize Alfred's schedule from the working hours page. First, select your preferred time zone to match any location you desire, and make sure to click on Save. Then use the drop-down menus to set exact start and end times for each day of the week. By default, Meet Alfred operates from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday, but you can easily tailor these hours and days to your liking. Don't forget to click on Add Hours to save your changes. You are also able to exclude specific days when you don't want Meet Alfred to run by removing them from the automation scheduler with a single click. Now here are some pro tips to keep in mind. If you're new to LinkedIn or a light user, consider starting with a schedule of 3-4 hours daily for 2-3 weeks, Monday through Friday. Gradually increase it to 6-8 hours over the next 3-4 weeks as you become more comfortable. For power LinkedIn users or those experienced with automation tools, begin with a schedule of 4-5 hours a day before gradually increasing it to 6-8 hours. If you have any questions about working hours, feel free to contact our customer support team who is standing by to assist you. I'm Alfred. I look forward to helping you again.